follower and gas root bucking change methods. Firstly, you find the screw on the top of the magazine. Use a screwdriver, loosen it, and then take off the magazine lips. You can see the follower with springs and gas root bucking. You take it out and change the gas root bucking. You can choose different heights to fit different brands products. And then after the change, you fix the gas root bucking, and then we fix the follower. And test with the checking bolt wire. You can assemble the magazine and make the short test. Yes. Okay.